Welcome back to Nerd Chic. Sometimes you guys know that I do some reveals on products that really make my life better. And I've had a lot of different kinds of desks and whatever, but this one is a lap desk for laptops with an area that you can rest your phone. You can put your phone in the grip there. I stick my pens there as well. And an area where you can use your mouse. And I got to tell you something, this is the best one I've ever gotten. The fabric is such a good feel. The handle is really well built, and this guy is awesome. And I'll put the link in the description of where you can get it from Amazon. But this lap desk off of Amazon, best deal ever. I got a really good deal on it. I want to say it was less than 20 bucks or something, maybe 30, but just such a good thing. The grip on here is perfect. I never have any of my devices slide off. It works really great with a mouse. I use this thing all the time. I've used this lap desk more than anything else. I use it while I'm driving and traveling, while I'm in hotels. I've used it in my bed. I've used it in even when if I'm working on something on a laptop while the kids are watching something or I'm watching them play outside, I'll put that right on my lap and use it. It's incredible. So this is the only one I can recommend like it. It's just really well built. I've had this thing now for about 2.5 years. No, 3 years, almost 3.5 years. And it's just so well made. Again, I'll put the link in the description. But I had to share this because you don't get many recommendations on good products out there. Folks will tell you when something's bad. But this guy right here is the best I've ever found. And I just want you guys to go find it if you're looking for it too. This is real wood. It's really well built. Even if it's particle board with veneering on it, really, really feels like real wood because it has grain in it. I love it. This is an incredible thing. Almost all my phones I've used have fit in here for the last years. And again, I just had to share it because I've used it so much even while making this this vlog. So with that said, thanks for tuning in to the Nerd Chic channel, YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe to us and give us some love. Hit the comments if you've got any questions or your thoughts on it. If you've gotten one of these and you love it, tell about it. And then, of course, go to our Reddit subreddit at the Nerdiverse and check out our website at askthenerd.net. Y'all take care.